it's Leah and Abi. For those of you that don't know, we run the Hive Radio podcast, Don't Date and Degree. And we have been invited by the union to give you guys a tour of IKEA. So first thing we had to do was get on the tram. You go from Piccadilly Gardens to Ashton-under-Lyne. Yeah. And now, dun, 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 we tackle the beast.
We are firstly going to hit the restaurant because we love food, we're very hungry, and it's a priority.
Lego!
Yeah! I got the veggie hash and the veggie balls, but still with the gravy and the berry sauce. And cinnamony apple cake, which I love both of those things, so I've never really deviated from this. And you also?
And I got the same, except I got mashed potato, and then I got this chocolate cake. Wow! So, it's good.
Let's tuck in. Now we're starting the actual IKEA experience. We're in some of the showrooms. You pretend that you now live here. They're your new home.
Hi, and welcome to my pastel heaven. This is my cafetiere. All the coffee I don't drink because it makes me jittery. You can sit on my couch. We can talk about fine art and how stressful third year is. Dissertations. See, little desk inspo.
Is this your desk?
This is a baby version of my desk.
This is a fun little puzzle for you. Actually, it's a really clever system and it's great fun when you go downstairs. Like coordinates, but better.
Just the whole vibe. Come on, Olivia and Charles. It's your turn to cook this week. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, Abby examines a bowl. These little bad boys, and you can write down all of the things that you want. You can have a tape measure to see if it's going to fit in your house, and so many free pencils. Yay!
It's so small. In Precious Week, you can go on an IKEA trip. Come here and get all your stuff for the room. It's a great idea because when you first arrive, you don't really know how big your room is actually going to be, even if you've seen it. It's been a couple months, so once you get there, then you can reassess and come here and get all your bits.
Yeah! Get all this good stationery stuff. I love all the random photos of people that they don't actually know. I love you, baby that is now mine. Would you ever pose to be an IKEA model, like your photo just randomly in hundreds of stores around the world?
No, I am not photogenic.
It's a good thing we were asked to do this in motion, otherwise this would be a struggle for the pair of us. IKEA, inspiring you to get through your degree. Ah, the artwork from the baby that is now mine.
Bed that's my height. Short people friendly.
Let all your troubles dissipate. Ooh.
Actually, I initially didn't like this thing first.
You got too relaxed, too fast. Run away. Come on, Abby, point out Guyana on this super practical globe.
There.
Right next to Brazil.
In South America.
Your heritage shining through.
Woo! No one knows where it is.
And no one ever will on this bad boy. Look at that. See, you can watch TV and you can make pasta and other meals that people know how to make. Extra. Gosh, yes.
Just having no barrier between
shower and peeing. You could shower while peeing. This is Barbara, the bear. Barbara has no bones.
so floppy.
And it's going to study science, biology, radiography, something like that, because they can work with x-rays and not worry about their bones getting too much radiation. They've got none! Woo! Get it, Barbara. Yeah! The embarrassment has killed Abby. She will be concealed in this egg until it passes.
now we're approaching the next section. Far less kind of full rooms, just the bits and bobs. Got glass jars already in shot. I'm excited. Sharks and bamboo. Let's go. Put it back. The magic of silicone.
Oh, smell the candles.
Not that one?
It's like walnut cake. This is the good stuff. Peach. What you doing?
I'm feeling the details of this plant. It feels velvety and it's a very nice combination of purple and green. And plant's good.
What's the verdict?
This one's the one for me. I selected it for its prime leaf. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna make friends with my other plant.
Yay!
Although I have to keep it warm.
This is the final section of IKEA before you pay. This is where all of your built furniture, this is where you find it.
All beautifully flat packed for the transportation and, you know, stacked high.
So high. Even a regular person couldn't reach that. How would Abby ever get those up there? But
it's great. It's got the system going on. You see the aisle, the location. Look at that. You want a Bester shelf? There you go.
Bester! Can you tell she used to work on a checkout till in a supermarket?
No.
We got all this stuff, including a plant almost as tall as Abby herself. And it's only £30. That's amazing. Yeah! Okay, so it's super cold and windy outside and we're very sad to have left.
Yeah.
The beautiful warmth of IKEA.
It's a wonder.
But can't recommend people come to IKEA enough. It's so much fun. It's only like £4 for a return tram ticket from Piccadilly Gardens, so it's super convenient to get to, and there's just so much fun. You don't even have to buy anything, and you just have like the best time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a great way. Yeah, you go. We have friends that go on dates here. We have people that come here just because they want to like peruse and pretend that they're living like their best lives in luxury. Bougie! And thank you so much to the Union for inviting us on this trip. And I want to say thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you later. Bye! I can't turn it off.